How to delete your Amazon account permanently. So first, you want to go to your Amazon account and make sure you're already logged in. And you want to tap on this account and list and choose account. Then from here, you want to scroll down until this manage your data. And you want to choose close your Amazon account. From here, you want to scroll down again until this account closure in permanent action. You can choose a reason, but this one is optional. And you just want to tap this. Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account. Then tap close my account. And here, you want to check your email on your account that you want to delete. And after you open your email account, there will be an email from Amazon like this. And you just want to tap this confirm account closure. And right here, you just want to type your password of your email account in your Amazon and click sign in, then your account will be deleted permanently. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.